બધાને જલસા કરાવે એવી નર્મદે ભૂમિ ત્રિવેદી. Welcome, Bhumi.
Big दिल से welcome. We are all very excited. As you can see, ખબર નથી તમને સંભાળ જશે તમને બહાર અવાજ પણ because we are very keen to see you tonight here.
અને ભૂમિ ત્રિવેદી के अगर आप इंस्टाग्राम फॉलो करते हो तो I'm a big fan. So she is like so much eagerly waiting to see you all. जितने हम eagerly उनका वेट कर रहे थे उतना ही eagerly when she was waiting. So please give her a big hand, guys, one more time, and we can take a seat and start our wonderful event. Yeah. So we will invite our guests as well to come and please join their respected seats. I would like to invite Brinda Amin, please. She's in. Okay, he's going to get her now.
We'd also like to invite Keyur Desai.
આપણે સરસ મજાનું ભોજન કરી લીધું છે તો મસ્ત મજાની તાળીઓ પાડવાની છે, ખૂબ મજા કરવાની છે, સરસ મજાનો ફોટો પડાવવાનો છે, વાતો કરવાની છે, તો ઉત્સાહ બરકરાર રહેવો જોઈએ. નેક્સ્ટ આઈ વુડ લાઈક ટુ ઇન્વાઇટ મિસ્ટર શાલિન પટેલ.
That's what we like to hear. A round of applause for everyone.
Yeah.
Next, Chirag Patel, please.
Can I please invite Mr. Rohit Shukla?
How are you?
And Bhargav Jadhav, please. Thank you so much everyone. પહેલા તો સૌને થેન્ક યુ કે વીકડેમાં આપણે ધવલભાઈ અને ભૂમિ ત્રિવેદીને મળવા આપણે સરસ મજાના તૈયાર થઈને સમય ફાળવીને અહીંયા આવ્યા છે. તો આપણે પ્રોગ્રામની શરૂઆત કરવામાં આવે. ધવલભાઈ, we would like to wait for Brinda. Okay, so we can start. Gloria.
So, first of all, thank you so much for joining us here, Bhumi Trivedi and her team. Of course, Garbani event to aave chhe Saturday, but to be able to see you, talk to you, meet you here, it's a big privilege for everyone that's here present today. Thank you so much. મારે એક ખાલી ક્વેશ્ચન છે, દિલથી તમે આન્સર કરજો because I know you came here 2 years ago, 2022 માં તમારો એક very last year પણ આયા હતા. I was actually there. And an amazing show રહ્યો હતો. It was very big, but I think this year it will be bigger and better. તમારા બહુ બધા નવા songs આયા છે, ઢિંડોરા બાજે, and as we all know, you are very versatile singer. ગરબાથી લઈને આપણે આખી બોલિવૂડની મજા તમે જે કરાવો છો ને, we are all so happy. We listen to you, we dance to your songs. એટલે ગરબા તો આપણા બધાના દિલમાં તો છે જ. So I would like to ask, if તમે પાછા અહીંયા આવે છો, how do you feel to get back on the stage in Sydney?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for having me here, and it's such a great opportunity for me to be here in Sydney again. And સૌથી પહેલા હું ધન્યવાદ પાઠવવા ઈચ્છું છું ધવલભાઈને. Thank you so much for doing this because this is for the first year that I've started with, like we've started with the world tour under one umbrella. I'll talk about that later for sure. But then talking about Australia, like covering that country, and we're just doing one single show in Australia, that's in Sydney. And we had so much of faith when we were having a word with, regarding this tour. Okay, Australia was generally 3 shows, 4 shows, okay, whatever, multiple shows. But here, now I think it's, with everything we are a trendsetter, I would just feel that. And it's a proud moment for all of us to be here and do this show. Sydney being one of my favorite cities. મને ફરીથી મોકો મળ્યો છે અહીંયા આવવાનો. ઓફકોર્સ એના માટે મારે ઘણા બધા ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ નેમ્સ લેવાના છે, બધાને થેન્ક્સ કહેવાનું છે. But before that, I really want to thank all of you for being here, for all of us, for the team, for this beautiful musical mission. I would say that Pre-Navratri World Tour that we are starting with. And this is the third country that we are covering after we started our tour with the UK, and then we went to Dubai, and then today we are in Sydney, Australia. So it really feels great. And this thought of Pre-Navratri World Tour started. I would give this credit to Keyur Bhai, Keyur Desai, who is the owner, who's the father owner of PH3 events, and he's been working for more than 30 years now. So one of the most experienced people sitting in the room. He just put an offer on table saying, let's do something regarding Pre-Navratri if you are doing. US ni jara apni baat start thi thi. So we were only talking about USA firstly. Ena pachi Meet Bhai સાથે મને મળવા લઈ ગયા. Meet Bhai, he's our national promoter in the US, and his Blue Waves Entertainment is what is called. He put another offer on table saying not only US but we'll travel the whole world, the whole globe. We'll try and cover everything that's best possible. જ્યાં જ્યાં ગુજરાતીઓ હોય ત્યાં ત્યાં આપણે જઈશું. I said તો પછી તો ખૂણે દુનિયાના ખૂણે જવું પડશે, કારણ કે ગુજરાતીઓ ક્યાં નથી. But you know, એટલું એક બ્યુટિફુલ થોટ જસ્ટ અમે મળ્યા ને એના 2 મિનિટની 3 મિનિટની અંદર એમને વાત મૂકી મારી સામે. And I was convinced like at a wink of an eye, and I was so convinced કે આ વસ્તુ ક્યારેય થઈ નથી. Of course there are artists performing all over the globe with different people, but here અમે એક ફોર્મેટ તૈયાર કર્યો કે let's bring people under one umbrella, and ખરા માયનામાં જે કહેવાય ને કે વર્લ્ડ ટૂર. So એ અમે કરી રહ્યા છે, and credit goes to everybody who has joined in and been able to incorporate themselves with us. અને એટલા બધા countries જ્યારે Pre-Navratri ની વાત થાય તો we are limited to 2.5 months. Pre-Navratri ના તો નવરાત્રિના પછી વિચારાય, ના તો નવરાત્રિના બહુ જ પહેલા કે માર્ચ એપ્રિલથી પણ નથી થતી. So it's really difficult કે એ જે ટેકનિકલ વસ્તુઓ જે બધી હોય છે, જ્યારે you have to make sure that the dates are not clashing. અગર આ મહિનામાં US ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયામાં હું કરી રહી છું, where people are also waiting કે યુએસમાં અમને આ ડેટ જોઈએ છે, but we managed somehow કે આ વીકમાં અમારે દુબઈમાં કામ કરવું છે, આ વીકમાં અમારે ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયા ટ્રાવેલ પ્લાન કરવો છે. And things are so unpredictable because there are lot many layers to this world tour. કે ટૂરની શરૂઆત થાય, પહેલાં પેપર વર્કથી શરૂઆત થાય, પછી તમે કોન્સ્યુલેટ્સમાં જાઓ વિઝા માટે, અપ્રુવલ માટે, અને એ બધી ડેટ્સ એટલે તમારે ક્યારથી કામ કરવાનું સ્ટાર્ટ કરવું પડે. સો ગોઈંગ બેક ટુ લાસ્ટ યર્સ નવેમ્બર એન્ડ ડિસેમ્બર, ત્યારથી અમારી વાત સ્ટાર્ટ થઈને ત્યારથી અમારું કામ ચાલુ થયું. એન્ડ after all that hustle bustle, we are finally here in Sydney, Australia, in front of all of you. So yes, last year was very interesting, and even this year I'm looking forward to doing even bigger and better, as you said. So yes, thank you so much for having all of us here, and looking forward to this beautiful day.
જ્યાં ભૂમિએ કીધું જેમ કે ગુજરાતી ક્યાં નથી, તો આપણે એમ કહીએ છીએ કે જ્યાં જ્યાં વસે ગુજરાતી ત્યાં સદાકાળ ગુજરાત. અને before I go ahead, ભૂમિ, I'm feeling so proud, અને મને એટલું બધું ગર્વ થાય છે, કારણ કે we all know કે નેશનલ અવોર્ડ વિનિંગ ફિલ્મ જે છે આપણી હેડારો, એમનું જે સૌથી સુપ્રસિદ્ધ ગીત છે વાગ્યો રે ઢોલ રે બાઈ વાગ્યો રે ઢોલ, એટલે જ્યારે બી હું એ ગીત સાંભળતી ત્યારે ઇટ્સ લાઈક ડ્રીમ કમ ટ્રુ આજે કે હું તમારી સામે છું, તમારી સામે સવાલ કરું છું, તમારી સાથે વાર્તા કરું છું અને ઇટ gives me an immense happiness and pleasure કે ટુ ધવલભાઈ એઝ વેલ કે આટલા સરસ મજાના કલાકારને આપણી સમક્ષ અહીંયા લાવ્યા છે જે આપણને એમને લાઈવ જોવાનો મોકો મળ્યો છે. અને બધા મને કીધું હીરો તું જ્યારે બી ભૂમિને મળે ને તો પ્લીઝ એને પૂછજે કે વોટ ઇઝ ધ સ્ટોરી બિહાઇન્ડ ભાગ્યોરી ટોલ. એન્ડ સમય બહુ ઓછો છે તો એક બે સવાલ સાથે જ એડ કરી દઉં તો તમે કહી દો. અને આપણા જ ગુજરાતી સંજય લીલા ભણસાલીની ફિલ્મ કોને નથી ખબર એનું ગીત રામ ચાહે લીલા છે. સચ વર્સટાઇલ સિંગર, સચ ટેલેન્ટેડ સિંગર રહ્યા છે. તો તમારો અનુભવ તમે કહેશો કે હાઉ યોર લાઈફ ચેન્જ આફ્ટર ભાગ્યોરી ટોલ. તમને સંજયભાઈ સાથે કામ કર્યું બીકોઝ વી ઓલ નો હાઉ પરફેક્શનિસ્ટ ઇઝ. કારણ કે પાર્થિવભાઈ સાથે વાત થઈ હતી ને ત્યારે એમને કીધું કે જ્યારે સાવરિયા મૂવીમાં એમને ગીત ગાયું હતું તો કે આખું ગીત રેકોર્ડ થઈ ગયું પછી નહીં યાર પાર્થિવ આપણે એમાં કવાલી એડ કરવી પડશે. તો લાઈક યુ નો આવા બધા ઇન્સિડન્સીસ કેન યુ પ્લીઝ શેર વિથ ઓલ ઓફ અસ કે હાઉ વોઝ યોર એક્સપિરિયન્સ વર્કિંગ વિથ પરફેક્શનિસ્ટ સંજયભાઈ અને હાઉ યોર લાઈફ ચેન્જ આફ્ટર ભાગ્યોરી ટોલ.
No, amazing. I think બહુ જ એક ટર્નિંગ પોઈન્ટ કહેવાય પણ every song has proven as a turning point for me. ચાહે એ રામ ચાહે લીલા હો કે ઉડી ઉડી જાય હોય કે હુસ્ન પરચમ હોય કે વાઘેરે ઢોલ હોય કે ડિંડોરા બાજેરી હોય એન્ડ ઉડેલે ગુલાબ જે કચ્છ એક્સપ્રેસનું પણ એક સુંદર ગીત છે. સો આ બધા જ ગીતોની સાથે સાથે જર્ની પણ અલગ રહી છે. એન્ડ આઈ વુડ મેન્શન એવરીબડી એન્ડ આઈ એમ સો ગ્રેટફુલ એન્ડ સો હેપી કે મને આ બધા ગીતો મળ્યા એન્ડ પીપલ ઓલ ધ મ્યુઝિક ડિરેક્ટર્સ ચોઝ મી એઝ the singer for that particular song and genre. So that really means a lot to me. And of course, Sanjay Leela Bhansali sir, he's the greatest. And working with him was a beautiful experience. And him, I think, more than being a perfectionist, he is, એ જ્યાં સુધી એમનું જે આર્ટિસ્ટ કહેવાય ને કે સેટિસ્ફાય નથી થતું એમની અંદરનું ત્યાર સુધી એ કામ કરે છે. એન્ડ that's what we also want કે જે પણ આપણે કામ આપણું જે બી પર્ટિક્યુલર કામ કરતા હોઈએ એમાં we have to be not only 100% but 500,000% I will say that. And તો અને લોકોનો બી એટલો બધો પ્રેમ મળ્યો છે wherever I go and I mean blessed with such kind of a versatile platter કે મને બોલિવૂડ પણ ગીતો ગાવા મળ્યા છે. And Bollywood, when it comes to representing our Gujarati culture, I've got that opportunity as well. I'm also talking about આપણું ગુજરાતી folk. એટલા બધા ગુજરાતી ગીતો મને ગાવાનો ચાન્સ મળ્યો છે. I've written a few songs, I've composed also. So, all in all, I've been lucky enough to be able to explore, be it Gujarati, Bollywood, hip-hop, or bhajan ke garbo hoy, so everything. And I love experimenting, so I think the overall experience is this, that every song has been a game changer for me.
તમે કીધું કે તમે અમુક ગીતો લખ્યા છે કમ્પોઝ. આઈ રિમેમ્બર તમારું એક ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ જોતી તેમાં હતું કે તમારા મમ્મી જે છે મમ્મી પપ્પા તમે જ્યારે નાના હતા ત્યારથી એ લોકો પણ ગરબા લખતા. તો એમાંથી તમારા મમ્મીનું લખાણ કે મા અંબાનો અવસર હોય આપણે ગરબા ગાતા હોય અને બધાની માતા પણ એટલી જ પ્રિય હોય તો તમારા મમ્મીએ લખેલું તમારું ફેવરેટ ગરબો કયો?
Mummy, like she's not written any particular song for any composition, but હા એમને લખવાનો અને એ બધું ઘણો બધો શોખ છે. And she keeps on writing poetries and like she's been a teacher, so yeah. તો એમને આ બધું literature, she is very close to literature અને લખાણ અને બધા. સો પ્રોઝ અને એ બધી વસ્તુ ઘણી બધી કરી છે. But I would definitely thank my parents only because of them I am here today. અને એમની જે મહેનત છે એનું ફળ અમને બધાને મળે છે બચ્ચાઓને. So I think I'm really grateful for the hard work and with such perseverance they've worked all their life and sacrificed so much for us to be here today. So all credit goes to them as well. Yeah.
થેન્ક યુ સો મચ ભૂમિ. આપણે બહુ સમય ન લેતા આપણા સ્પોન્સર્સ, કારણ કે સ્પોન્સર્સનો જેટલો આઈ થિંક
Yes, I would love to thank all the sponsors for joining in here, and of course I really want Dhaval bhai also to talk about and Kiru bhai also, of course. And just in a line, a single line, हमारे केवल के साथ समुद्र पार करावीने जे आखी टीम लावी છે. So hats off to everybody who's played an important role in bringing the show down here in Sydney. So yes, thank you everybody.
And Bhumi, you'll be glad to know that khali Gujarati nathi. There are so many non-Gujaratis here as well.
Yeah.
They are your big fan. So thank you so much.
I think that goes ke તમે હમણાં કહેલા you guys have become a trendsetter. It all comes because you're so versatile. તમે હમણાં કીધું કે ગરબાથી લઈને બોલિવૂડથી લઈને બધું જ because of your voice you have very strong touch with માતા and પિતાથી આવે એટલે you can put yourself out there and that's how you're reaching so many different cultures and communities. So
Absolutely, I am grateful for that.
So, firstly, I would like to thank you everyone to be here in such a very short notice, and it's a weekdays, also a little bit far away from most of the places where you live. So, this was basically I planned to organize this. It's just that I want to, everyone to have spend some time with Bhumi and also we can have a sort of a hangout as well, because on the day of the Garba, it's not much possible because it's too much rush and 20 people. So this was the main reason that we can associate along with the sponsors and all the supporters. I would like to thank you all the sponsors. Please, it's a long name, so long list. I won't be able to remember everyone, but yes, especially, and also I would like to thank you, Kiru bhai, to give me an opportunity to organize an event in Sydney. And this is the very first event for me in my last 14 to 15 years of event industry that I haven't done any numbers. I have like a 10-15 checklist of boxes that I do before I say yes to an event. But I just emotionally attached with this project and I just say yes whenever I got opportunity to.
I have to say one thing about today. You just landed from Dubai and we had like 16-17 hours long flight with a couple of hours halt and everything. And since the time we've landed, हमें धवल भाई ने बिल्कुल रेस्ट करवाना था बिल्कुल. He must have thought कि हमें जाइसो, but that's not happened at all. So
Full of energy.
Yes, because we all are supremely excited. Of course, even everybody is, and even he is. But he just thought that I would need a day to, just relax and unwind myself, and then do things tomorrow, and of course, perform on 31st. But I just completely told him, I was like, we only have 48 hours, and I'm not going to rest at all. I want to be at every corner of Sydney in the best possible way, for people to, know, for people to realize that we are here for a massive, beautiful, big show. And there were a few tickets left, and we were talking about even that. Okay, 30 tickets, and to my surprise, even I was supposed to invite my friends and family members to stay here, but then ultimately they bought tickets, and I'm like so happy.
How nice.
I think that shows like dedication ke khali tamari team nahi but also Dhawal bhai in conjunction પછી જ આટલી મોટી events આવે but we can be in flesh with you અહીંયા because of that dedication, hard work. પછી ઊંઘનો પણ ટાઈમ ના મળે આપણને.
ઊંઘ આવે જ નહીં.
આવે જ નહીં. Exactly.
We are doing it only in Sydney, but I want to make sure that, and also with all your support, Sydney માં like લોકો ગાતા હોત તો ભૂમિ એવું લાગે કે આ હોસ્ટેલ અહીંયા જ છે.
Sydney, over excited. I think there are so many youngsters who are joining tomorrow as well. So are we moving ahead with these sponsors?
Can I please request Kiru bhai to say
yes.
something?
Thank you so much, everybody. And first of all, I would like to thank Bhumi. She had accepted our offer, as he said, within a fraction of a second. And that's a good luck, and given us a chance to design this entire concept under the one tour. I thank first Meet Shah, Blue Wave Entertainment LLC from USA, and he's our worldwide promoter for this. And under one umbrella, we designed this, and we started in a lot of countries were ready to do this. Germany, we're having 2 shows. South Africa, we're having 1 show. New Zealand was expecting one show, and so many other small part of the world. Even in Kenya, Uganda, we were expecting some shows, and they were behind us to have a show. But as Bhumi mentioned earlier, there were a lot of paperwork and things going on, so it was very difficult for us to travel everywhere.
Also dates were clashing.
And dates were clashing and everything. And after looking the energy from Dhaval and the entire team, we had chosen only a one show in Australia. We were not in a position because, see, we've got a visa for US, but to give a passport for stamping, it takes 10 days. Just for 3 days, we have traveled here just to fulfill the commitment of Dhaval, and the way he had organized the things. Hats off to him and all the supporters and the core team of Dhaval. Thank you so much, everybody, and being a part of it. And hopefully next year we'll come out with at least 4 shows. And yes, but Bhumi was also very keen. He definitely will go for a Sydney show. At least for 3 days we'll travel and we'll came here for this show. And thank you so much, Bhumi. And after the jet lag and everything, she never mind anything, and she directly rushed for the promotion activities, and she's very enthused about it. So entire team is working like that, and our musicians, yeah, of course, they are the best musicians of India so far as Dadias are concerned. That you are going to be witness on that day. And the entire team and the way Bhumi has created her song list and show flow, it's amazing. Thank you so much. I'm not going to take much of the time, but I've got a couple of surprises.
Oh wow!
Only one surprise? Okay. Bhumi, it's a surprise for you also, and that's a surprise for, I mean, for everybody.
We're waiting to Ria.
Yeah, and Bhumi was having her birthday on 23rd of August. And we are celebrating birthday month. In every part of world, I mean, we had celebrated this everywhere, and even Dubai we did a birthday celebration after birthday. So we are celebrating her belated birthday, Bhumi. Oh my God. Yeah. So much of a cake and love.
Lucky we are to celebrate Bhumi Devi's birthday. Yes.
Yeah. So can we have a cake here, please?
Dhaval bhai, surprise for us as well?
Yeah.
How amazing is that?
I know that's the reason I took mine. Because it was sure that Shankar is also not knowing about this.
That was very thoughtful, and what a wonderful surprise, and I really feel that we are very lucky to celebrate such talented singers' birthday together.
Happy
So
birthday.
thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you for making it so special. Thank you.
Because you are so special for us,
Thank
Bhumi.
I've been reposting your stories as well.
Oh, yes. I can't wait when she sings Bhagya Vai Dol Ne Mare Na Par Khoob Naach Mujhe.
Absolutely.
ગરબા આવે એટલે પગ રૂકે જ ના આપણે તો.
Dhaval bhai, so so we have a photo session with Bhumi Trivedi, so you can talk to her, ask questions, and take wonderful pictures with her. I think we want to start, right? Yes. भूमि આપણે હવે ફોટો સેશન કરવાનું so I think મારા અને રિયાથી ચાલુ કરીએ હા please
આપણે
Can I take a single? Thank you so much. Thank you.
Mama.
I'm going to meet her day after. I know, but I mean, just because of that, I think everybody was joining. That's more important for me. We'll start. मैंने डेनिम पहन के आपको डिसअपॉइंट कर दिया। 31st को मैं मिलूंगी।
लिप्सिता लिप्सिता
Look at here, please.
लिप्सिता look at here.
हमारे इकली में
पापा सेपरेटली आप दोनों का
That's not fair. लाइन माँ है ना, बराबर है ना, बीच में से नहीं, लाइन में जाना है। कार हाँ क्या
So that
विमल भाई
Next, please. Next, please.
Thank
you, ma'am. Sorry. But we are running out of time.
You did it, huh, Dhaval bhai?
भैया मेरे पीछे
Just beautiful smiling faces just before the
ये
event.
रिकॉर्ड हो रही है
Guys, thank you so much.
You need to go and you, sir.
कैमरा बंद तो नहीं होएगा ना?
क्या चीज़ है? मारे में नहीं।
किधर? एक मिनट पड़े। उधर सोनल दबे।
कौन चलाएगा?
Look at here.
कोई देगा।
मेरे से करो।
किधर?
Guys.
किचन में क्या होगा? नीता किधर है? नीता जाओ ना यार।
वो अभी वो लाइन लगा ली
Thank you. Please.
आज क्या आज
Thank you.
यस हो गया डन खुशबू नहीं है इसके कैमरे से मेरा ही हो गया देखो फोटो हो गया नहीं तो मैं वो ले लूँ दोबारा मैं तो इस कैमरे से ली अनिता कैमरे चलो कोई चक्कर नहीं तो फिर भेज दे बाद में और तो मैं तो आना समझ यार दो कैमरे का हाथ खराब है ना समझ नहीं चलो कोई चक्कर नहीं होगा जाओ दोबारा जाओ मैं तो ये अनीता का है
Thank you. Anybody left?
My single photo there.
अच्छी आई है लिप्सिता अनीता इसके कैमरे हैं
थैंक यू
3-4 फोटो मैंने खींची हैं तो मेरे को भेज दो मेरे को भेज देना
Single photo $100.
मालिक है ना मैं दो कैमरे हैंडल नहीं कर सकता था जितनी है तो भेज दो हर्ष की इसकी सोनल की
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody. Anybody? Okay, please. Double, you Aijan?
ओ अमन
We had to also celebrate her birthday because
Yeah, we were supposed to, but she was not there.
mine was on 23rd and hers was on the
24th.
Birthday girls together.
अमीन
Look at here. Look at here. एक इनका
अरे बहाने चला है भाई
23rd, 24th. Go fast. Go fast.
डबल की रहेगी
हाँ अमित भाई बागुन हाँ आप जामित जी में इससे ले
जाओ पड़ी जा कहीं अमित चलो
Three cheers for this team, guys.
Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Excuse me.
Thank you.